Do you guys ever have this thing as an artist where you almost don't want to dare to dream?
I didn't know what was actually okay for me to dream.
Almost like you felt like you didn't have permission to dream?
Mm-hmm. I think that's one, being black, and two, like circumstances of just wanting to provide for my family.
Do you think it's because we always think there's something more important than the dream?
Yes.
Almost like you can't prioritize the dream.
It's kind of tough to just go for it, like you said, when there's other things looming over your head.
Because I have dreams for sure, but part of me doesn't want to acknowledge that they're there. You have this big dream, and then you think to yourself, who am I to think that I could actually achieve that? That's probably a piece of the imposter syndrome as well. But then it's like, but I want that. So why shouldn't I have that?